Hey Nylon TV, it's Ashley Tisdale and you're at my photo shoot. On my iPod right now, I love Michael Bublé, Keisha, Lady Gaga, Pixie Lott. I do have a guilty pleasure that's on my iPod, a Backstreet Boys song, like I Want It That Way. My style, oh man, I probably would describe it all over the place. It's different every day. It's kind of like characters for me. Because my beauty secret would have to be my face wash. I use Cetaphil. I use a guy's razor. I don't even use shaving cream. Hair color to me changes colors that I like. So when I was my natural color brunette, I hated pink. And then I changed my hair color back to blonde for projects and suddenly I love pink again. I think a big misconception is that I'm like my character. They expect me to kind of be like that, I guess. I am a comedian and I love comedy, but I definitely have, I love to do drama and stuff, and one day I can't wait to play a character in a movie where it shows a different side. One of my favorite movies of all time is My Best Friend's Wedding, Julia Roberts. How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days. Brittany Murphy was really good at comedy and drama, and so I loved her in Just Married. I also loved her in Don't Say a Word. I love Cameron Diaz. I think there's something really cool about, a smart girl that can, just kind of laugh at herself and have fun. Bye guys.